Welcome in to a woolly review for Metallico. This is by Hobbii, as indicated. 70% polyamide, 21% acrylic and 9% merino wool. Not superwash, it's just merino. So if you are somebody who has allergies to the non-superwash wool, steer clear. It is, as you can see, it looks really silky. It feels silky soft. It is a really, really good squish. It feels lovely. Now, we're not here for the colour. Well, apparently some of you are. But this one is... I can't even find it. That's helpful, isn't it? Give me one moment. Okay, so looking up the colour number 9, I now know it is night blue. I haven't used this before, but we're going to give it a go. Now, I bought this when it was £4 something on the site, and that was on sale. Now, at the time of doing this review, it's actually under £3, but they go in and out of sale on a constant basis. If you fancy some and you're patient, wait for the sale to come up, because it will. So bear with it. Okay, so this is a tubular tape yarn. Feels lovely, very, very light and airy. I'm using my custom made hook by Jelena over at Cutlery Designs. She's linked down below, along with the details on the sale of my hanky markers and the hankies, key rings. And let's do up a swatch. Oh, that feels good. Ooh. Now I feel like I'm using too big a hook, but that's nice. Okay, so let's do a single crochet. How this is going to frog, I have high hopes. I got high hopes. Now, it does say that size wise you need, oh, I'm doing double, silly moo. You need size 4 1/4, no, sorry, 4 1/2 to a 5 size needle. But it doesn't tell you the hook. Each of these donuts is 50 grams, which works out as 115 meters, or approximately 125 yards. It is really, really nicely gliding on that hook. That feels pretty good. Okay, let's go on with a half double crochet. It's so light and airy. Quite possibly with a really, really good drape on it, which is quite something for something that is fairly thick. But boy, does it feel nice on the hook, nice in the hand. And right now I'm just thinking of rolling around in a whole lot of donuts of these. No, not donuts. I mean donuts of this. No, the other kind of donut, you don't roll around in it, you stuff it in your gob. So this was made in Turkey. But Hobbii is in Holland. But this was designed in Denmark. The good thing is, okay, I don't have any wool allergies, but I can certainly feel when something has wool in it. And this is like microscopic. Can't really feel it at all. But when I give it the let's rub it on my hand test, we'll find out then. So I'm just doing a row of single crochet, single, double crochet. I don't know what I'm doing half the time. Oops. And we're not here to judge my really, really bad crochet skills. No, 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 no. Please don't judge me. We're here to judge the yarn, the wool. I can't get in that last little bit. Let's try again. There we go. That's better. And turny, turny, turny. I so wish the camera picked up just how luxurious that is. As the light hits it, it's like it is lighting up. And then you've got the darker shades in there as well. It's quite beautiful, I've got to say. But then, heck, I'm a magpie. I do like my glitz. I mean, they say diamonds are a girl's best friend, but heck, right now, I'm going to say Metallico is my best friend. While I'm using it, it's lovely. Really nice stitch definition as well. Right, let's do some halves. Last row of halves. Also for sale, pre-order this year's notebook or channel notebook. Just go and have a nosy on my community page. Front cover features Beany. There are only a limited number of 10. As soon as all 10 have been pre-ordered, then it'll be a case of finito until next year, around about September again, when the next one comes out. They are lined. Full colour front cover, and there's a little surprise in the back. They are coming from the UK, and you can choose your postage whether you have it tracked or not. There we go. Oh, well, that didn't work. See, now that's a little bit difficult when you've got, I need to go in between those two, and that is difficult to get into. But maybe that's just me. Okie dokie. So, look how bad that is. Look at that. What did I say about judging my crochet skills? I know. I cannot feel the wool. I just can't. It feels really nice. Off with the donut. Okay, let's do a slow frog. Oh, oh. The fuzzies are being entrapped. This is a slow frog. That's not too bad. It's catching slightly. I just say you can see the fuzzies. Oh. Oh, 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 oh. It's catching on itself. Okay, so that last little bit's going to be a little bit difficult. Well, I did have high hopes, despite its furry appearance. But it probably lived up to everybody else's expectations of, well, you got fuzzies. What do you expect? I'm going to have to break it. Gonna have to break it. Thank goodness it's only a tiny little bit. It won't ruin my project. So, wind it back up, back into its donut to put back into the project bag. Which includes another colour of this, and I'm going to put them together and make a shawl out of them. Okie dokie. So, Metallico. Would I turn my back on it and walk out the shop? No way, that's rubbish. Would I be, oh, is that really all you've got? But it's not what I wanted. Oh, I'm desperate. Fine. Nope. Would I be, ooh, maybe. Well, you know, I guess I can give it a go. I'll take it, okay. No. Would I be, woohoo, that's on my top 3. I absolutely love it. You haven't got the other one in? Okay, not a problem, I'll take it. No. I'm going to push this to a 4.5, and the only thing that brings it down that half mark is the frogging. I mean, this is not what you want. But this, ooh, I want it. I want it. It will be linked down below with all its details down in the description. But this is my rating for the Metallico from Hobbii. 4.5 ladybirds out of 5. And next week, if you want to see the next review, come on over and maybe subscribe. Notification bell helps. If you set it to all, it will always notify you of the reviews, if that's what you're after. Hopefully you've given a thumbs up if you like it. If you like it, Until then, next week, have a good one. Take care. Bye-bye.